So if you really want to know if YouTube is actually pushing your videos, keep watching. Welcome and welcome back. I'm Sin. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to read your analytics so that you will know if you're in the YouTube algorithm's good grace or if you're flying under the radar. So by the end of this video, you'll know the 3 signs that your video is actually being promoted and pushed by YouTube, the 1 metric that reveals if your momentum is growing or if it's fading, and what to do right now if your video isn't being pushed at all. The YouTube algorithm isn't just one big on and off switch. It's a system that tests your videos in front of a small group of viewers at first. And if they respond well, it pushes it further. But the big question is, how do you know you're in the push phase? Sign 1, your impressions are climbing quickly within the first 48 hours, especially from browsing suggested traffic sources. That means YouTube is testing your video beyond your subscribers, which is excellent. Sign number 2, you're getting more views from non-subscribers than subscribers. This is huge. It means your video is being shown to a new audience. This is what we want, guys. Sign 3, you see a spike in your click-through rate, which is your CTR compared with high watch time, the 2 biggest green lights for the algorithm. So go into your YouTube studio, click your video, and look at your impressions over time graph. If you see a steady upward curve, you're gaining the algorithm's trust. If it's flat or dropping within the first 3 days, YouTube is pulling back the promotion, which means you need to make changes and changes fast. Here's a quick solution. Improve your title and thumbnail while the video is still fresh. YouTube can retest your video and give it a second life. Trust me, it helps. Now, if your impressions are low and your traffic is mostly from your own subscribers, that's a sign your video never passed the test. Now, here's how to recover. Retitle with keywords that your ideal viewer is actively searching for. Refresh the thumbnail. Or you could pin a comment with a call to action that encourages watch time and discussion. The secret is comment signal engagement. And here's the kicker. You can apply these changes to older videos as well. I revived a few of my old videos from months ago by tweaking these few things. Now let's get into our product of the day. Now, if you're a creator tracking your schedule, your workout, or even your content posting reminders, this right here is a game changer. This is a smartwatch, y'all, under $50. I literally live by this thing, and I know you guys keep seeing me post. I call her. I post her every video because she really helps me with reminders. If I'm taking a nap, it'll tell me when I'm in a deep sleep, when I'm in a REM. If I'm sitting down too long, I can check my heart rate, my pulse. This right here is great for content creators, for moms, for dads, grandmas, aunties, anybody. This is really, really nice. Under $50 and it's stylish. Okay, back to business. One last secret. If your videos start getting views at unusual hours like 3 a.m. your time, that's often a signal that YouTube is testing your video internationally. Okay? When you go international, baby, you know you in there. Yes, YouTube tests videos at all times of the night, all times of the morning. But if you see a big spike around 3 a.m. your time, baby, you have went international, okay? But seriously, guys, if you notice that your video is not being pushed, or if you check your analytics and you see that mainly your subscribers have watched the video, hurry up, go ahead and tweak it. Once you make those changes, the algorithm, YouTube will know that you have made changes. Once you press save, it'll see that you have made changes and it will give you a second chance. But you have to maybe tweak the title or your thumbnail. The tags don't really mean that much. Also, your description, keywords in your description help your video grow through the algorithm, go through the system. It's a machine. It is trained. It's trained to go off words, behavior. Do you know that when you make a YouTube video, when it's going through the publish process, the upload process, that machine is watching your every move, is watching how you move, is watching what you say. Sometimes what you say can also help your video get pushed and promoted through the algorithm. Let's just say I'm teaching on how to grow on YouTube, and I keep saying, this is how you grow, this is how you grow, this is how you grow on YouTube, this is how you do on YouTube. The algorithm is going to know that my video is about how to grow on YouTube. It's going off my words. It calculates everything. So if you need to, start saying what you're doing in your video more. That lets the algorithm know where to push it. Keywords and description help. Think about what someone would type in on the search bar. That's a good one as well. Think about, how would they search for my video? Like, how? What would they type in? You have to think like your audience, or think like yourself, like what would you type in to find your video? Type that in and see what comes up. You have to use words that people would use to find you. But if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sin is out.